Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with me, Cowie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different ways to build floors or a wall in LEGO. As I just said, these are 5 different ways to either build a wall or a floor. Funny enough, all these are built very similar, so they are not too difficult. All these are built with Snot Bricks, so if you have any, make sure to grab them and follow along with the tutorial. So without further ado, let's get into this. So here are 5 different ways that you can use this technique. So the first way is just to use a bunch of the Snot Bricks and then put random pieces all over the front. With this, I'm using a combination of plates, tiles, Snot Bricks, and headlight bricks. You may be wondering now what a headlight brick is, but it's actually a lot like a Snot technique brick, but it's hollow on the inside and looks slightly different. This makes it have a little bit more depth and looks a little bit better, as opposed to just having all of them Snot Bricks. And as you can see, I just put the tiles on the other side and it worked out very nicely. Next up, we just have a wall with a bunch of plates on it. This is very similar to the last design, but as you can see, it looks a lot more slicker and not as depthful. Okay, depthful is not even a word. Alright, now to the third design. You can see that this does have a lot of depth. I guess you could call it depthful. This design is using a bunch of jumper plates with the Snot Bricks with the plates on top of the Snot Bricks. As you can see, I'm just laying them down like so, and then putting the brick on the top, and then do the opposite on the middle ones. So it's almost like a jiggity jag thing, I don't know. Alright, now to our last but not least wall design. You can see that this one is very textured as well. This is using the same thing with the Snot Bricks, and these pieces are actually a lot taller. You can see that they're like 2 by 2, so the whole dimension is a lot bigger. Those are the pieces that you would find in like a BrickHeadz pack or whatnot. And then I just put cheese slopes on top of that and then use the same thing with the jumper plate. And lastly, we have the Snot Technique floor. This floor is super easy, looks super smooth and very slick. It's basically just using the Snot Bricks on top of a plate, and then you attach the wall, or floor now, onto the side part, and it creates a very slick floor. Of course, if you want to cover it up better, you'll have to put bricks around the plate. So that is going to wrap it up for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and hopefully it was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like below so it can be shared with more people. And until next time, keep doing what you love.